Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening and assembling the LEGO Creator Set 31099. It's a 3-in-1 set. It's got a propeller plane, a jet plane and a helicopter with a landing pad. This is the box. This is the other side of the box. This particular set I picked up in Morrison's at the moment, and they are reducing some of their Lego at the moment. So anyone interested, it's well worth a trip. And you get your Morrison's points as well, so it's a win-win. But we'll get this box open. I do like these little 3-in-1 sets. You've got two bags, and it looks like you've got 3 books. So we'll start off with the propeller plane. This is the book for the propeller plane, this one here. We'll open the bags first. This set doesn't come with any minifigures, or Lego figures, which is a little bit of a shame, but some of the sets that do. The actual set I built the other week with the Cyberdrone has also been reduced in Morrison's as well at the moment, so well worth a look if you had your eye on that particular model like I had for a while. So we'll start off with an orange 3x2 with a grey. Got lots of little studs in this set, so I'll attach a wing to it. This is what we have so far for our build, for our plane. Put the wing on the other side, and a light blue 6x1 flat piece, and a white angle piece goes on there and attaches on here, like so. What we've got so far for our build. Next one, do the same on the other side, so it's same but opposite. A couple more of these blue flat pieces. Got a nice propeller with this set, so got those pieces on there so far. This is the wings so far. A couple more pieces to go on the wings. So 2 of these blue pieces, and go the same again on the other side. I'll show you this in a minute. And a blue 2x1. Should be in here somewhere. There's one of them, and there's the other one. Next we build there's another small bit we've got to build now. So we've got a 6x2 flat piece, and flat studded anyway, and a couple of these angle pieces go on here, and a 4x1 go on there like so. And this piece here goes in there and keeps it all together. So that's what we've got so far. Got to flip this over. Got what I would call a laser piece, but I'm not sure what its actual name is on this set. If anyone knows, do feel free to leave it in the comments, and I'll try to give you a mention on one of my upcoming videos. And we put some pieces go on the bottom there. We're still keeping this upside down for the time being. We've got a grey curved piece, goes on the bottom here. A 2x3 flat studded goes on here, and a 2x2 flat studded, two of those. Now we've got to make the air vent piece, so it's a box piece like this, and there should be a right angled piece and a grey 2x1, like so. That's what you got there. This piece here goes in there like so. There we go, got the air intake for the engines there. So we've got so far for our little plane. Now we start working on the bodywork with these right angled pieces. Should be one more of those floating around. I know it's in there, we go, it's hiding. And an orange 3x2 goes on the back there like so. Now we put the bit for the propeller, goes on there like so. And a couple of small square stud pieces go on the sides here. This is a 6+ build, so it won't be overly complicated. Put a couple of these pieces on here, which are body styling, like so. That's what we've got so far. Now we've got these orange bricks. So we've got a orange 6x2 flat studded and a curved piece that goes on there. And that piece there goes on there like so. As you can see, the plane is starting to take shape. We've got a 3x2 goes on there. Instructions are quite simple on this particular build, so next we've got an actual Lego brick, a normal Lego brick, as we all easily recognised. So, and a 3x2 and a grey 2x1, hopefully. There we go. That's what we've got so far for our plane. Next we make the piece for the tail, which is an orange 6x2 and a dark blue 8x2. These two pieces go together like this and go on the back like so. Got to put a couple of these white right angle pieces on the side, and some of the slightly shorter ones as well go on here. Like so. Now we put the tail on the plane. like so, and we've got the tail on there. A couple of these blue 6x1 flat pieces, and a white angled piece goes on there like so. As you see, the plane's starting to take shape. Got a couple of these pieces here. These are the pieces they use for angling. Check out Mr. Instruction now before I get too excited. Put these on here like so. Bit more detailing on this side. So have a dark blue 2x1 and a roofing, an angled piece there, and a curve and a quarter, like a pizza piece, go on the side there, so like so, as you can see. I'm going to do the same on the other side. A couple of the angled pieces go on here. Try and do it carefully. Getting a bit excited. Put a couple of, how you put the dark blue pieces on the side here, just like I did on the other side. So both sides now look the same. Now we've got to make the engine pieces. So we start off with one of these, which is going to attach on there. We put eight of these little stud pieces on, like this. So put these two together. Another two of these. And you put a grey round piece on the front. And that's one of the engine pieces there. I'm going to make up another, that piece goes on there like so. I'm going to make up another three of these very quickly. Unfortunately, I didn't know this before I started the build, so if you wish to fast forward through this bit, you are more than welcome. That's what I like about these 3-in-1 builds. Once you actually, if I do one of these 3-in-1 builds, I will always, oops, I used the wrong brick because I was talking. Oops, nearly. Might help I wasn't talking there, and so that one goes on that side. Do the next one. That's two of those together. Two. Do the last one. So fast forward through this bit if you need to, because there we have our moving engine pieces on there now. They move like that, but they just like that, they look nice at an angle. The next bit is the wing clips, the wing tips. These are an orange handle piece and a little flag type piece goes on there. Next we put the cockpit on, which is two of these engine type pieces. Nice use of the bricks. And that nicely goes on there like that. Put some landing gear on the back, which is one of these and one of those. Got some tyres to put on here. Like these would be like back in the day, these would be the single Lego wheels, which you don't see now because you make your own. I'm not sure why they changed it, but I do think these wheels do look a bit better, and they got a bit more. They're a lot more multi-purpose than the other ones used to be. So there we go. Got one of those. I've made two of those. So stick the other one on. There we go, that's what we got so far. So the plane's got its landing gear on it now, so got to put the propeller on. That bit goes in there like so, the propeller goes on there and has a little red nose cone. Tail fin as well. And here we have our plane. This is the first build of this set. It's quite a nice little plane. It does look good, and for the money I paid for this set, I would say it's definitely worth them. I think I paid £5 for this set, so I've definitely got £5 worth of Lego. It's either that or it was 2 for £7.50. Or 2 for 15 quid, and then you still get your money's worth on Lego. You get a quite nice little build here as well. It flies. It does look like a plane, and it sort of propeller moves. You can move those bits. There isn't too many spare bricks for this set because it's the main build. So overall, quite happy with it, and well done Lego. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And tell your friends about it as well. If you have any comments or feedback, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video. I'll try to give you a mention on one of my upcoming videos. I'd like to thank my regular subscribers on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much for your continued support, and I hope it continues. Stay safe, keep building. Hope very much to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.